student give the confidence, practical skill, and stand on their own feet, because it is a job oriented, and our society needs the technologists and the professional people. And I hope you can implement it, all these things better and secret. Because I will tell you, work is worship. Always do good for the benefit of our students.
मुझे आज इस ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम का फीडबैक देने के लिए बुलाया गया है। फीडबैक तो इस ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम का बहुत अच्छा था।
क्या इंक्लूड करता है वह रेस्पेक्ट फॉर ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्क। हर कोई काम इज्जत वाला काम। डाउनलोड द पार्क डैशबोर्ड बारामूला एंड सी what is the level of competency in languages, in mathematics, in foundational stage, in social science, mathematics in middle stage, and in preparatory stage.
थैंक यू सर, मुझे मौजूद करने के लिए। मैं इस प्रोग्राम का स्टेट कोऑर्डिनेटर है। तो स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशन रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड दिस 5 days orientation program for head of institutions. The title of this program is Adopt, Implement the Vocational Education. This program aims at creating awareness and develop competencies among the head of institutions. Because nowadays this vocational education plays important role in our education sector. And it is the integral part of the curriculum. And it is also important part of the modern education. So we should develop the students the vocational education skills, because we should give the students confidence and practical skills, and student will be able to stand on their own feet. It is already government ने implement ये किया है, लेकिन बहुत vocational teachers recruitment is on cards, कुछ institution में अभी नहीं लगे हैं, but government is thinking that we should employ the vocational education in every secondary and higher secondary schools in different trades, IT ho, animal husbandry ho, dairy farming ho, to get the most of knowledge to the students about the skill development.
Well, this 5 days orientation program revolving specifically around the vocational education convened by SCERT Kashmir Division, bringing all the HIs of high schools and higher secondaries across all the districts of the division, culminated today on a very high note. And Boys Higher Secondary School Sopor was one of the major training centers accommodating the HIs of District Baramulla and District Kapwara. For the last 5 days, we have been witnessing here more than the routine academic engagement. We see ourselves as a part of meaningful shift in how we understand vocationalizing the education. We have been here not to discuss the policy shift, but to ignite the paradigm shift. You see, for 2 long years, we have viewed the academic and the vocational education as 2 separate pathways. But the current scenario, the future, does not recognize that very wall between the two. The future demands the fusion. So by including the vocational education into our curriculum, we as educators, we ensure that every child, including those with special abilities, find the dignity, opportunity, and the purpose in the life through the education, through the phases of the awareness, exploration, and the skill preparation. So, as a resource person, my takeaway from this orientation program is clear that we need to work in such a way that education, it becomes inclusive, skill-oriented, and relevant to real-life challenges. So I think our HIs, they have the power, they have the potential to change this narrative. So hope for the best. So through this vocational education trainings, we want to bridge the learning with the livelihood. We want our schools be the places where we could prepare the students not for the examinations, but for the life.
This program has been truly meaningful. It was not about only sessions. It was about discussions and reflections, how we rethink education, how we approach teaching. I saw genuine openness to learn, and such training programs help us to grow and bring a lasting impact in our classroom. Thanks.